So YouTube, check it out, y'all. So already been doing a lot of the work behind the scenes. I got the old tire off here. It's the original one that came with it when I bought it. I was gonna burn it out for y'all, but I'll clean it up and just keep it there as a little spare, you know. But I did have some slime in there. I had put some slime just to seal it because it had a lot of little pinhole leaks and stuff. So I'll rinse out that slime. Real nasty in there. So check it out, y'all. This is a new tire that we're gonna be putting on the rear. The SunF, the Power 2. So check it out, y'all. Just look at the thread difference on there. Look at that right there, y'all. This one was already going out. Then barely had nothing. Look at that one more time, y'all. That was gonna be super beefy. So I gotta go ahead and cut me the tag off. And let's check it out. The tools I used to take it off was basically a really big screwdriver. And I also had help from this crowbar. Basically those two tools. And I'll bring y'all over here, y'all. I already been prepping my wheel. I went ahead and put some more paint because the chain, whenever the chain falls off or whatever, kind of scratches it up a lot. And so I put me some more paint there, and I went ahead and painted my rim. The inside, cleaned it up, you know, as best as I could. I've already painted both sides. Pretty good enough right there. So gonna start prepping it to get it ready to put it on. Let's see if I could find a piece of cardboard, or I see a cardboard already, so that way I could just kind of save it from getting scratched. So let me get my little work set up here, and honestly, y'all, I'm probably gonna pop it on. And let me see if how fast I could get it on there. Let me get set up. I'll be back. Let me set up my little cardboard, and I'll be back with y'all. All right, y'all, check it out. So I'm just gonna be using a little bit of soap right here on this edge here, y'all, and basically just squeeze it on. Let's see what we can do. So I don't think there's a specific way the tire should go. Thread pattern, and look at the thread pattern. So I'm guessing you're gonna mount it with you're gonna mount, this would be the rear, that would face the front, and that way you could actually read it. So I'm gonna want to mount it with my brake disc facing this side, because I like to have my air tank for my brake disc. So that's how it would mount, just like that, I'm guessing, y'all. So let's see what's up. So I guess let's try to pop it in on this side first. We'll go ahead and just put some soap right here. Good amount of soap all along the inside. Alrighty. Well, let's just try to pop it in. Yeah, these SunF tires. They're pretty strong tires, yo. We're getting it. We're just about there. Just gotta be real careful with that bead. You don't want to tear into it. There we go, y'all. So we got first part in there. I'm gonna go ahead and put some soap over here. Rub it in there real good. A little bit on the rim there. Nice and slippery. Let's try to get one side started. There we go. Now I'm gonna maybe work it on there, y'all. Let's see. Whew. I watched a few videos on this, so if y'all go online, there is some videos, lots of videos on there that you could watch. Mine ain't the best, y'all. Y'all ain't got a good view for y'all. I'm just the screwdrivers is what helps you out. So, try to get it a little bit at a time. Alright, y'all. It's gonna be a pain in the butt. I think I'm gonna just do this off cam. I don't want to kill y'all's time. Alrighty, y'all. So it's really not as hard as it looks, y'all. It's just a little tricky. So basically, got it on there already. Basically, I pushed down with my knee and with the screwdriver just worked it all the way around. There's lots of videos on there, y'all, of installing them. The rim did get some scratches on it, but it's alright. I could give it a touch up. I mean, it was gonna need that. So now, basically, a lot of guys put a tie strap around there, a ratcheting strap, and air it up to get the air in there, y'all. So I'm gonna try airing this boy up. If I need to, I'll get the ratchet strap to seat it. But we'll see what happens, y'all. So, whew, it's on there. Little pain in the butt, but we got it. I'm gonna go wash up and see about putting some air in there. And that's it. Get everything back on there. So I'll be back with y'all. Peace out. Alrighty, y'all. Check it out. So basically, I got the strap on there. I tried airing it up without the strap. It wasn't working, so hopefully the strap works, y'all. So I got the pump. I just slightly tightened it. I still might need to go tighter, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna go a little tighter, y'all. Oh, it's tight there. Go a little bit more tighter. Seem to be getting a little bit of air. Let's try it there. Alright, y'all, the battery died. Let me go get another battery. Be back. Now, it would be a lot better with compressed air, that's for sure. A lot more powerful than these little pumps. But let's try to make it work. It's going, y'all. Yep, we're about there. Let's see what the max distance to seat beads is. Let's see. Max to seat beads 28. Right now we're at about 15, so I'm gonna go more. Make sure they're seated real well. Go ahead and loosen up my ratchet strap. Forgot about the ratchet strap. So the ratchet strap works, y'all. Just gotta loosen it up now. Sucker on there real tight. That was my fault because I forgot about it. It's really squeezing the crap out the tire. So I think what I'm gonna do, let a little bit of air out. Just to kind of help it. I need to get this out. So yeah, y'all, I'm gonna let a little bit more air out. Just to kind of take some of that pressure off. Definitely gotta take that pressure off. It was my fault. I kept going. But it should be seated now. We should be able to put air in there. So don't forget to take off the ratchet strap, y'all. Once you see it seat, stop right there. All right, let's see. Yeah, y'all, she's holding her wheel well. So now I could go ahead and put my my little valve back on there and air her up to what it says recommended for 7 psi, y'all, operating pressure. But right there I have it at seating pressure, which is 28. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my little valve thing back in there. Get my little valve thing back in there. And then I can start putting everything back together, y'all. Got that on there. All right, let's inflate it up. Right there where we're at, y'all. We're probably at about maybe we're at about 11 or 12 there. But once I take this off, we'll drop down to about 10. And but I'll be here. I'll be sure to double check it, y'all. I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of let it sit there for a minute. Make sure everything's good, y'all. So I'll probably be back with the installation. I'll go ahead and just kind of let it sit there. Then I'll check my pressure. It says 7 psi. These are the 6-ply rating. tubeless, 7 psi operating pressure, 28 psi max to seat beads. So yeah, y'all, thank y'all for watching. I'll be back here in a bit, basically probably once I'm done. So pretty good, everything went pretty well. Whew. Thanks for watching. I'll be back. Peace. Alrighty, what's up YouTube? Check it out. So I had me some rubbing alcohol. I just cleaned down my brake disc here, and then I already installed it, and I already installed the sprocket. And I left the tire. I let it at 8.5, y'all. I checked it. It was at 8.5. It recommends 7. I'm gonna leave it at 8.5. A little pound and a 1.5, a little bit more, just to get it a little bit more stiff. I would have liked to run it at 10, but I'm gonna run it at what they pretty much recommend. So I left it at 8.5, and that's what we're looking like, y'all. It's ready to go on there. So just like I said, I wiped that down with alcohol. It was pretty dirty. Got that nice and clean now. When the brakes grab on there real good. So basically it's just ready to install. So I'll see y'all here in a bit. Hopefully I'll get that on there and maybe take it out for a little ride or a little later. See what it feels like. So I'll be back, y'all. That's gonna be the video right here. Pretty cool. Got that tires pretty beefy, you know. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get it on there the best I can by myself. And then I'll be back. Peace. Alrighty, what's up YouTube? So I'm gonna take a little break, but I got her on there. So I'm gonna upload this video, and next time y'all see me out though. But I got her on. Check it out, y'all. Everything went on real smooth. And got the new cotter pin on there. Tightened down real nice. Got everything on there real good. So that's how she looks, y'all. It's definitely gonna tear through the dirt, tear through the sand, tear through the terrain. I'm ready to take her off-roading pretty soon. So it's been real hot out there lately, so I know this one spot I want to take her to. So that's how she's sitting. Sitting pretty nice, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and end the video there. I got the original one here. This tire, the ones that come with it. When I bought that wheel, y'all remember I made that video. I need to put me a new cotter pin on here. I forgot. I remember I never did that yet. Still got this, but I need to put a new one. And that's how she's sitting, y'all. That's that SunF Power 2s. So I'm trying to turn on that light. There we go. Alrighty, y'all, I'm out of here. The size on there, that's that 145/76. That 6-ply. Brand new tire. Hasn't hit the road once yet, y'all. So y'all see it on there. That grip. Big thick grip, bigger than a fingernail. Big old grip. So alright, y'all, I'm out of here. Peace. Catch you on the next one.